over here you can see that I have a PowerPoint presentation file right here. And then if I were to open this up, then you'll see a version of PowerPoint that we have right here. So I can go around and make changes to this PowerPoint right here, just like this. And what I'm about to show you is true for all of the Office files, now be it Microsoft Excel or Microsoft Word file. So if you were to go around onto the file right here, and then you were to go around onto info, then you can see version history is an option right here. And you can see there's two versions right now. So a version that I actually made change just now, so just like this, this is the change that I made, and you can see that there's a version that was edited 4 minutes ago over here as well. So what you can do is you can save a copy, that is you can create a copy of this version and save it, or restore to this old version as well if you want to. And once you do that, what happens is that an old version will be restored. So you can do this with the files that you share inside of Microsoft Teams right here, just like this, as you can see. And right now you can see that I pressed back right here, so it says restore is failed, but that is what you have to do right here. So you can see that there's a version right here, just like this. So if I were to go to info right here, it is still loading, so we don't see the version history right now. But if I were to go to info now, you can see that version history is there. So there's this now version, and there's the old version right here that you can access over here and restore, just like that. So that is how you can access the file version history inside of Microsoft Teams. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.